Hello, guys. My name is Aldo, and I will be um, touching base in some of the things that caught my attention, and I think it will be helpful for all of us through this semester. Since our other partners and companions have shown some of the problems, I think it will be good for me to give you guys some tips and some things that help me to improve on my attempts of the problems. So remember when we're following these, I call them sheets. Um, you don't really necessarily have to fill all of the blanks like it looks right here. Um, just make sure that you put attention of what they're telling us, the amounts, and they're gonna give us some hints also on each of the questions. So it's gonna be A with A, B with B, and that's how we continue. Some things that can be really helpful. It's to go click on the ebook, and you go to transaction analysis, and you're gonna see some examples on how to fill those. Um, I recommend to put attention a lot on these equations because those are gonna help you guys a lot through the problems. There are some problems that are continuously, but I will touch base on those in a moment. So there's a lot of wordings and a lot of terms that some of us are new to them. So when you're trying to find something on the book, just click Control F, and you're gonna see that a little research bar is gonna come, and you can type, for example, let's try stock. So it's gonna tell you where the word stock is located. Especially for us that English is not our first language, it will be easier to have a better idea uh, where to find those because the book is 334 pages. I'm sorry. Um, so with this type of quizzes, it's really complicated sometimes to find every single thing. Um, so always remember one of our, I think it was Nick that he mentioned that we have three opportunities to check our work. And also, if you happen to not complete the quiz, you can always um, go and try it again, and it will show you on your previous attempt which questions you got right. Um, I find it very helpful, so it saves you lots of time. I will also recommend you to go back through the quizzes, and once you finish, try to reread them and use them as a study guide because the content is most likely going to be repetitive. So you can always reload this and do your study. Um, those are the things that I found really helpful. And there are some problems that we have to continuously finish. And that's what Nick and our other companions show in their presentations. So in order that we have all of these problems correct, it will help us to get the following um, problem. Um, is gonna let us to continue. So make sure that you guys put attention on assets, liability, equity. Those are the things that they're gonna be showing us and teaching us how to do it through the semester. And I wanted to show the spreadsheet because personally that was one of the ones that it was more challenging, um, and it was a little intimidating at the beginning. But since I decided to take my time and I try to do it right, that's how I got it. So we have unlimited attempts, and once we finish and we're not sure or we're running out of time, we can just save and exit. Um, and I just run out of internet. So I'm back. So make sure that you guys always refer to the book and look at the table of contents. Um, right now, what we have seen in these problems is most likely on page 17. So these are the type of statements that we're going to be doing on the problems, and they will show you what's included. So I will suggest you just to take notes on what's included, because sometimes on the problems they're not necessarily everything that we need to put, but on these statements you will see what can go related into the problem. So that's all I have. I hope you guys find this helpful, and if you guys have any questions or comments, please post it on our board. And thank you for your time of watching this. Goodbye.